Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Toncoin on Tonkeeper wallet fast and easy. So let's get started. So to buy Toncoin here on the Tonkeeper wallet, all you have to do is tap on buy and sell. So from here, you would be able to see, as you can see here under buy TON or buy Toncoin, you would be able to see these methods. So when you tap on show all, you would be able to see even more. So you have Mercurio, MoonPay, Transact, Changely, NeoCrypto, OnRamp, events change. So take note that you won't have these exact methods that I have here available, especially if you're in another country or other region different from mine. So you won't have these options, but all you have to do basically is just to see what kind of methods you have here available and just select one of them in order for you to buy the Toncoin. So for example, you want to go for Mercurio, you would be opening the Mercurio app. So tap on open Mercurio and it would be loading right here. And as you can see, here. So you would need to tap on the amount that you would like to buy, and you can tap on the USD button right here to change the currency that you would like to buy or you would like to pay. So let's just go for euro. So you can also do that and input the amount that you would like to buy. So let's say 50 euros, and it would be converted into this much of Toncoin, and then you want to tap on buy, and then you would need to provide your personal data and other information that is needed for your payment method. So yeah, that is basically it. And once you have completed that, then you would be able to successfully buy Toncoin from Tonkeeper wallet. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.